Hey there, I'm Jocelyn. As a group text message administrator, I was fed up and frustrated with group messaging chaos. Text group chats can feel like a nightmare for privacy. Everyone sees your number and name. Your messages get buried, and suddenly your personal info is exposed to people you barely know. Think about it. Your details are floating in a sea of text group chaos. All it takes is one unscrupulous person in that created text group, and your details are shared, or worse, sold. No control, no confidentiality, no way to keep conversations truly personal and private. It's stressful, distracting, and totally unsafe. That's when I discovered Textergram, an AI-powered mobile communication app. Instead of messy text group threads, Textergram delivers privacy-focused group messaging. Each recipient in the created group gets a personalized message as if you manually sent it yourself, and you stay in control. No exposure, no chaos, just complete confidentiality. Take back your privacy and join text group chats that have total security. It's free to try with no purchase required. They'll even give you 10 free credits to get you started. These credits never expire. You'll receive 5 complimentary gifts in total by using an exclusive promo code via this link, 𝙤𝙚𝙬𝙪𝙧. Start to experience text group messaging without the risks.